Hello everyone, this might be the most detailed Jeep Matchbox has done yet, and it's not actually out in the real world. So if you don't know about this is a 2025 Jeep Recon. It's a new casting, new for 2026 by Matchbox, and this car isn't actually released in the real world. So Matchbox released it before even the Jeep could do it. This is obviously finished in orange, as you can see. It's a very nice paint, I would say. Not a lot of Jeeps are done in this paint, but actually Wrangler does. They have Wrangler this paint. Now, let's come back to the casting. What does it say? So it's finished in, like you can see, a dual tone paint. The base is metal, the top half is plastic or acrylic they use. Now I'm gonna move to the front and start from there, since there are a lot of good details. So in the front, you can see there's a detailed front end with headlamp, grille. It's an electric car, so this is just there to like a space holder, I would say. But it's an electric off-roader, so that's why you would see there are recovery hooks right there to get the Jeep logo, and this blacked out hood so that there's not that much reflection when you're going off-road. And if you look there, you can see there are some very good details right there, and it says Moab. So if you don't know, Jeep does that every year, and there's a desert, Moab desert, I might be wrong, but they go to there. Apart from that, you have windshield wipers in the front, and it looks like a small skid plate in the bottom, so that more better on the off-road. Got both the mirrors, which is again good to have. Now coming back to the driver's side, so if you look, you can see there are certain aspects from Jeep Wrangler, the squared off wheel arches, the exposed hinges, and this one will also have, as per the some of the videos or information shared by Jeep, it will have like roof panels like Jeep here, you can take it off. So it's designed that way. But on this casting, the black wheel arches cladding, or flare wheel arches, what you want to say, continues from front to back. You have a step there, you can see the lower part, and all of the upper part is obviously acrylic plastic. The people is similar. Fuel filler is on this driver's side. I'm moving to the back. So on the back, you see a spare wheel just like a Wrangler. Tail lamps again squared up, but different. They're not exactly what you see on a Wrangler. It's different. There's a door handle right there, and you can see again it's a metal bumper kind of design. You got a tow hook here, hitch receiver, so you can add your trailer and stuff. So you got that. Looks alright. I do like the wheels. The black looks good with this orange. Passenger side looks almost identical. Don't see any major difference apart from the fuel filler on this side. You do get the roof rails, which you don't normally get on Wranglers, and it has a big sunroof, Shark 1902. And this is how the base looks. Some details in there. And interior, I think is finished in black because it's highly tinted, so you can't really figure out what color it is, but it has some details, not a lot of details, but there are some details in the interior too. Overall, I think for a Mainline, it's a really good looking casting. It looks nice, and if you want one, I think these are available now because I've found it in a store, so you can go grab yours before the actual vehicle comes out. That will be fun. Yeah, I think it's a good looking casting. Let me know, are you going to add this to your collection? Do you like this? It's gonna be electric Jeep. Are you a fan of electric Jeeps? Do you want to see more electric Jeeps? I don't know. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.